Yo guys, it's Xpyre here. I'm announcing a new series called Judging Your Designs, where basically you send me designs like intros, any graphic design, banners, literally anything. And I will judge it and I'll kind of critique it. And I'll like kind of make my own take on it. I might not do this series if I don't get enough entries. So if you want to enter the series, all I gotta do is you basically what you gotta do is you have to friend me on Discord. Xpyre, let me check this. Wait. Yeah, Xpyre period. There's a period, okay? Because I'm super modern. 2101 on Discord. When you get on there, send me a download link or just send me the image / video that you want to show me, and then I will just put it in Photoshop and kind of critique it a bit. Another thing is if you enter, if you have a YouTube channel, I will shout you out. Your channel will be in the description. Yeah. Also about the logo designing series I made, where it's like me getting better and better at logo design. I'm probably not gonna do that because I discovered when I'm not recording, I'm better at making logos, so it's not really any use to do that if I'm bad while recording. So yeah. Another thing you can do to enter is if you comment down in the description and tell me. Wait, what was I gonna say? Another way you can enter is if you have a video of what you want to show me in your YouTube channel. Just in the comments, just tell me about it, and I'll go on your channel and I will look at that, and you can enter that way. But yeah, remember, Xpyre period number 2101. If you enter this, I will give you a big shout out. Yeah, hopefully this is a thing because I like to see your guys' designs. If you guys don't enter, I might just make a series where I find designs and I critique them. It might not be yours, but yeah. So do all that stuff. Subscribe and like the video if you haven't already. If you want to. But yeah, see ya.
Pass that back to the gang of boys. Let's go. Slide on the dance floor. Let's go. Slide on the dance floor. Let's go. Slide on the dance floor. Let's go. Slide on the dance floor.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.